Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home furnishings. Today, we're excited to introduce one of the top contenders for your dining room, the East-West Furniture NOFK7-OAK-W 7-piece dining room table set. If you're looking for an elegant and durable dining set that fits seamlessly into your home, this might just be the perfect choice for you. This stunning set includes a rectangular dining table and 6 dining chairs, all crafted with care from high-quality rubber wood, also known as Asian wood. Known for its strength and longevity, rubber wood ensures this dining set will stand the test of time, providing a solid and stable frame that can withstand years of use. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or a holiday gathering, this set provides the perfect setting for any occasion. The table itself is 32 by 54 inches in size and comes with a butterfly leaf, offering flexibility when you need extra space. The elegant oak finish on both the table and the chairs gives the entire set a warm, timeless appeal that works well in both modern and traditional dining rooms. The simple yet sophisticated design makes it a versatile piece, capable of complementing a wide range of decor styles. And the chairs feature slatted backs and wooden seats, combining comfort with style. Assembling the set is straightforward, with clear instructions and pre-assembled components that make the process quick and easy. Once put together, the table and chairs provide a sturdy and inviting environment where you and your loved ones can gather for meals, conversations, or even special celebrations. Not only is this dining set practical, but it's also designed to be easy to maintain. A quick wipe with a dry cloth is all it takes to keep it looking brand new. The solid oak wood finish is resistant to everyday wear and tear, ensuring that your dining set remains a beautiful focal point in your home for years to come. In conclusion, the East-West Furniture NOFK7-OAK-W 7-piece dining room table set offers a perfect combination of style, durability, and functionality. If you're in the market for a new dining set, this one stands out as one of the best options available. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and home furnishing tips.